Ready to launch your freelance career and connect with clients from around the world? In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of creating your Upwork Freelancer account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Setting up your Upwork profile is your first step toward landing amazing projects and building your independent career. Let's get you signed up. First, head to Upwork.com. Look for the Sign Up button, usually in the top right corner. You'll be asked whether you're looking for work as a freelancer or looking to hire. Make sure you select Find Work or Become a Freelancer. Next, you can choose to sign up with your email or use a Google, Apple, or LinkedIn account for a faster process. Using an existing professional account like LinkedIn can help pre-fill some of your information later. You'll then be guided through a few initial steps. Upwork will ask about your primary skills and the type of work you're looking for. Be honest and specific here, as this helps Upwork start to match you with relevant jobs right from the beginning. The final crucial step is verifying your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Upwork and click the link inside. This activates your account and is required before you can start submitting proposals. A crucial pro tip: before you even sign up, make sure you're in a country where Upwork operates. Also, have a government-issued ID ready, as you'll need to verify your identity to get fully paid on the platform. And just like that, you're officially in the Upwork system. Your freelance journey has begun. If this guide got you started, please give it a like. What kind of freelance work are you most excited to do? Let me know in the comments. To make sure you stand out, subscribe for our next video on how to set up your Upwork profile. Thanks for watching.